The first one, 4 point of charges QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, QP equal to minus 5 microcoulomb, QC equal to 2 microcoulomb, QD equal to minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corner of square ABCD of side of 10 cm. What is the force on the charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of square? In this question, we can see that we can find easily for this what is the force on the charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at center of the square. I can draw image of this diagram like square A, B, C, D. I written for corner of A, B and C, D. You can see the image of the diagram. I can give the charge of each corner. QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, QP equal to minus 5 microcoulomb. Same as like C and D. C equal to 2 microcoulomb, D equal to QD equal to minus 5 microcoulomb. So are located at the corner of square ABCD of side of 10 cm. You can see that A to B or P to C or C to D or A to D. It is the distance between the 10 cm. I can draw imaginary line of the square of center. It's like a midpoint. Here is the origin, it's 0. You can see the distance between the two charges. The side of 10 cm. I can written the B to C 10 cm. Same as like the every distance. You can see the image of diagram. In this figure, it can be easily seen that the charges of equal magnitude and same sign. You can see that QP is opposite D, QD it's like a minus 5 microcoulomb. Same as like A and C charges. QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, C equal to QC 2 microcoulomb. So equal magnitude and same sign are at the corner of same diagonal. So you can understand easily for this in this question. So they will exert equal and opposite forces at the charge placed at the center. So whatever force giving in the center of the point A to O, B to O, C to O, D to O, it is the force at the charge plate center cancelling out each other. So the net force of the charge at the center of the square is 0 Newton. We can understand easily for that one. The force will be cancel each other. A to C equal charges. That's why the force will be automatically it's cancelled. Same as like a P to D. P will give for these FB forces and D's will give for FD forces. The same charges, same force giving for opposite direction. In the force will be cancelling out each other. So that the net force on the charge at the center of the square is 0 Newton. In this question we find the force value of center, the square is 0 Newton. Second question, 2 point charges 3 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb are located at 20 cm apart in vacuum. The first one they asked for that one, calculate the electric at the midpoint of O of the line of AB joining to the two charges. Second, what is the force experienced by the negative discharge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb placed at this point? In this question, we can calculate easily from the first one. Calculate the electric at the midpoint of O of the line AB joining the two charges. I can draw for imaginary the line joining A to B. You can see that A to B. So I can mention about charges A equal to QA equal to 3 microcoulomb and B equal to minus 3 microcoulomb. And midpoint, we can assume that one 0. Here is electric field will be flowing from the A to B and B to C, P to A. We can write that EA vector, EB vector. The distance between the A and B, located at the 20 centimeter. Sorry, it is value from the 20 centimeter. I can write 20 centimeter. It is from the, we can understood in the diagram. So we need to calculate the electric at the midpoint of O. So what is the electric in the midpoint of value? You can see that A to B and B to C. What is the electric field in the midpoint? So we can write the given data 1 second for this one. We can understand easily for that one given data. What they given the questions? QA equal to 3 microcoulomb, QB equal to minus 3 microcoulomb, P is a negative charge. I can write the distance between that charges 20 centimeter. According to the SI system, we have to convert the meter. So we will get the value 0.2 meter. In the distance, we can divide that one. 1 microcoulomb equal to 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So we can write the value. In the distance, we can write that A to O. In this line joining charges, you can see the image of the diagram. A to O equal to total distance 20 centimeter. The midpoint is origin 0. We can write A to O 10 centimeter. And same as like O to B equal to 10 centimeter. We can convert easily from the according to the SI system. We will write that 0.1 meter. In this question, you can see the image of diagram, what they given in the data. This is the data. So first you find that, dear student, first to find the data, everything. After we can get easily for that. So another one, the line joining two charges. What is the angle? So very must be important for, because of depends upon angle, the force can be acted. So theta is 0 degree because of, you can see the line joining, it is like horizontal. The force acting the 0 degree. So what is the suitable formula for calculating the electric field? So I can write that the electric field formula. Modulus of E naught vector equal to EA vector plus EB vector. You can say that in this formula, for suitable formula, modulus of E naught vector equal to EA vector plus EB vector. So both are electric field. A electric field, charges electric field. B is B, charges electric fields. We need only for what is the electric field at the midpoint of O. So we know formula, we know electric field formula, we know that. We can substitute the electric field formula. We can find out this easily from the electric field value. Electric field equal to two point charges 3 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb at located at 20 centimeter. So if you think the electric field formula, electric field equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R square. So you know that in the electric field formula, how you calculate the electric field? In this formula, electric field equal to Q divided by 4 by epsilon naught R square. This is a standard formula for calculating for electric field. We can substitute this formula. We can modify it. We can write this formula, electric field E vector. So QA divided by 4 by epsilon naught r squared plus QB equal to 4 by epsilon naught r squared. You can see that in this question, which is a constant, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught constant value, we can take outside. QA divided by r squared plus QB equal to r squared. So you know that in this value clearly for this, and also that in the standard value from 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, it is a standard value. It is a constant value. So we know that in the constant value for this standard value, 1 divided by 4 by epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 power 8, 9 into 10 power 9. It is a constant. It is a standard value. You can substitute this in this value. QA charge value, QB charge value, and R already we know that 0.1 meter is substitute the value. We can find it easily from this electric field in the midpoint. You can substitute 9 into 10 power 9 whole bracket. QA value represented by 3 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb divided by 0.1 whole power squared plus and negative charges 3 into 10 power minus 6 0.1 whole power squared. So I can simplify this in the equation. We will get that answer from the what is the electric field. So we can get that because of modulus. I can see that one modulus EP vector. So whatever values will be is coming to plus, minus means it automatically will come for plus. So we return for directly for plus. So that's why we can get the value. Just you cancel it, 9 into 10 power 9, and whatever value is there, we can cancel it. We can get the value 5.4 into 10 power 6 Newton per coulomb. In this force acted and along OP, we can get the easily from the OP. So what is the electric field? So what is calculate the electric field equal to 5.4 into 10 power 6 Newton per coulomb. And the second question, second one, what is the force experienced by a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb placed at this point? So I have to know that we are going to solving the second one. It is related to the first one. You have to see that we calculated electric fields. So charges value we know that QA 3 microcoulomb, QP minus 3 microcoulomb, and the given test charge equal to Q equal to minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. So I can write in the test charge it is a differentiate between the A and B. I can write in the Q naught minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. It is placed at the point, one point. It's like a 0 or origin. Anywhere somewhere point is there. So we have to calculate what is the force. So force formula we know that. So in this formula related to the electric field formula, we have to substitute that one. So force formula for Q into E. So what is the electrostatics? So force into charge into electric field. It's a formula for the standard formula. F equal to Q into E. F is the force, Q is the charges, E is the electric field. So I can modify that because of test charge. Test charge I return for this 0. F naught equal to Q naught into modulus of E vector. In this formula you apply this, we will get the direct value from the what is the force experienced by the negative test charge of magnitude. Just to substitute the value. Dear student, keep your mind. You can see, find the formula, suitable formula, just to substitute. Electric field already we calculated in the question number A. Electric field equal to 5.4 into 10 power minus 6. Just to substitute that one. Q naught replacement by 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. And replacement of electric field, so we calculated, we find it 5.4 into 10 power minus 6. Just you have to multiply that one, we will get the value. Easily we can get the value from this in this force. The force value we can written for 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. Just to multiply that 1.5 into 5.4, we will get the value 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. It is along with respect to OA vector. The position you can represent by OA vector. Okay. Third one, a system has two charges, QA equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and QP equal to minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb, located at point of A 0, 0, minus 15 centimeter and B located at B equal to 0, 0, plus 15 centimeter respectively. What are the total charge and electric dipole moment of system? .5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb, and also that another charges QB equal to minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. There are two charges. It is located at a point of A and B. They given as a coordinates. It's no problem. It is easy method. We have to solve it. Which coordinate you have to find out this? Just to find the value, you can solve it. So first you draw the imaginary one lines. The line joining of two charges A and B. A coordinate equal to 0, 0, minus 15. The B point same as like charges 0, 0, plus 15 centimeter. You can see that in this question you can draw imaginary lines. So two charges location we find it here. So what is the distance? In this question we can calculate easily from that. Total distance equal to A and B. We can take the midpoint origin A to O A and O to B A. So we can write that total distance A to B equal to 2A. What is the suitable formula for in this question? So we can write that A to O, what's the value? 2A equal to, so what is the coordinate totally? Point 15 and 15. So we can write the total value of 30 centimeter. A equal to approximately 15 centimeter. Or you can substitute that directly from the same value. According to the SI system, we should convert meter. So 2A into 30 centimeter convert to 30 into 10 power minus 2 meter. And also that you can see what are the total charge and the electric dipole moment of system. In this question, what are the total charge? Second one, electric dipole moment of system. So what is the electric dipole moment of formula? So we know easily for total dipole momentum or total charges. The total charge is equal to 0. You know about that because of each charges same magnitude, same sign. So of course will be cancel it. Total charge is 0 because of both charges equal and opposite charge. The value will be 0. And what is the dipole momentum formula for P equal to Q 2A? It is a standard formula. P is denoted by the electrostatics dipole momentum Q into 2A. Already we know that Q charges value 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb into 2A. 2A already we know that we got it the value. The distance between the two charges 30 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Just you multiply, dear students, you find it easily from the electric dipole moment of system. 2.5 into 30 we can get the value 75 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb and meter. You can say that we can convert easily from the according to the system. 7.5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb meter. So what are the total charges and the electric dipole moment of system? So what are the total charges of in the system? 0, because of the both charges have equal and opposite charges. This force will be cancelled, and the dipole momentum is here 7.5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb and meter. It is acted along as a z axis. You can see that in this diagram, you can find it easily. Okay.